Cast iron cookware have a long lifespan and are nearly indestructible. Now, let us look at how to season a cast iron pan. Wash and scrub the pan with a brush. Completely dry the pan using a towel. Place the pan on a stove for a minute to ensure all the moisture or water has evaporated. Apply a thin coat of cooking oil on all sides of the pan, including the handles, using a tiny piece of cloth. Place the pan on a gas stove and heat. The oil will start to emit smoke. Continue heating the pan for another 3 to 4 minutes. Turn off the heat and cool the pan. Repeat the oiling and heating process once again. Remember, a well-seasoned cast iron pan will have a dark, semi-glossy finish. It will not be sticky or greasy.